All right, if you want to unlock your electric bike to go faster than 20 miles an hour, it would be considered a Class 3 electric bike. And in some states, you're not allowed to do that based on local laws. So make sure that you check with your local law before you make any changes. However, in the state of South Carolina, the state does not distinguish between 1, 2, or 3. So you are able to technically change your setting on your bike to go up to 28 miles per hour and not have to get any kind of license or permission of any kind. So today we're just going to look and see if it can actually go 20 or 30 miles per hour. Let's get on the bike and take it for a test drive, and I'm going to show you how to set it up before I take off. Okay, so in order to take it to the maximum speed possible, you're going to go to your left handlebar to press the minus and plus button at the same time. Going to make sure you're in 08P, and if you're not, if you turn it on and you're like in 12 or a different number, just use your power button. Go all the way around until you hit 08P. Now down here you're going to have 032, and what that means is this is the maximum you're allowed to go. That's 32 kilometers per hour, which is equivalent to about 20 miles an hour. So you're going to have to change that to 100% of the bike's capability. So you're going to hit the plus up until you see 100, and that means 100% of Lectric's bike capability, and that should take you around 28 miles per hour. So we're going to put that to the test right now. We'll just use the throttle only for right now. So right now I'm in power assist 5, and I can go about 18 miles an hour. 32 kilometers per hour is about 19.6, something like that. But let's go ahead and see if we can use the power assist to get up to 28 miles per hour. Oh yeah, 31. It's about as fast as I could go. I'm in my highest speed setting. But definitely 28 is capable. It gets really tiring though. But this is definitely a fast bike. Yeah, water, I hate it. Beautiful day. And I'm wearing this brand new DJI mic with lots of wind resistance. And if I sound pretty clear, it's a great mic. So, pretty tired. Let's use the power assist. Throttle only going up this hill. Whew. Man, that was something else. pretty good exercise, but so their specs are pretty right on target. About 20 miles an hour is the maximum they can use by throttle. And once you start pedaling, the assist comes in to be about 28 miles an hour. And I got up to almost 32 because there was a slight decline in the road, which is nice. But man, whew. This hill right here, I would be struggling if I had to ride my bike up it. I guess technically I am riding. I'm just not pedaling. But if you're looking at my energy bar, I've used a ton of energy. So you can go fast, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna suck your battery dry. But that's okay. That's all part of the experience. And this is a campground, a state park near Columbia, South Carolina. And the great thing about these bikes is, unlike 10 speeds, these have fat tires and you can go through sand and dirt and not have any problem at all. You just kind of use your power system, power right through it. These bikes are about 1.5 years old. And there's our rig. Anyway, thanks for joining. And hopefully this gave you all some insight about what the Lectric bike can do.